To ensure your internet connection is not interrupted during power outages, it is important for your network provider to have backup power systems in place as well as your local equipment. This is where the mini UPS comes in handy. With a storage capacity of 8,800 mAh, ports for USB, PoE and DC output, voltage selectors, and smart microprocessor controllers to guarantee reliability. The micro UPS is the perfect device to keep your equipment powered for up to stage 4 load shedding or 8 hours of power loss a day. So with our various setups of wireless connection equipment in your home, one of them looks very similar to this. Many will change in terms of possible sizes or colors. However, a standardized connection is as follows. You will have an uplink cable that is generally black in color with a red boot plugged into a converter of some sort. This converter will also have an attached power cable that is plugged into your power point. Followed by this converter, you will have an internet cable that will be plugged into a piece of equipment that may also vary in shape and size, but will be plugged into your internet port as seen below. From this, if we move one below, we will have an additional power cable that will also be coming from your power point. Above your internet port, you will have a LAN cable that links this equipment to your Wi-Fi router. Additionally to your Wi-Fi router, you will also have a power cable linked to the same power point. When migrating your internet connection over to a UPS system, we start with the converter. Firstly, we will connect our UPS to our power point by doing the following. We will connect it into our input port and attach it into our power point. Once done, we will disconnect our uplink cable from the converter and plug this cable into the PoE port of our UPS. Thereafter, we will do the exact same with our LAN cable that will be plugged into the neighboring port of the UPS. The converter that has now been disconnected will be taken out of your power point and stored away separately. Once your converter has been removed and in place of it your UPS installed, you will thereafter need to connect a power supply to your router board. Simply remove the power cable from your router board and store said cable away separately. Connect the cable from your UPS located in the front USB port into your router board. Once done, you will successfully power both antenna and router board. Finally, in order to ensure that the internet connection is distributed amongst the house, we need to power the Wi-Fi router through the UPS. We simply remove the power supply of the router out of its power point and store away separately. Please be advised that the voltage selectors must be toggled to the correct output required by your device. In most cases, the selector near the LAN port should be set to 24 volts, but the selector near the output port should be adjusted if necessary to match what your device requires. Thereafter, connect the UPS to the router using the splitter that will be plugged into the output port of your UPS and connected to the power port of your router. Once done and the UPS is turned on, both antenna as well as your Wi-Fi router will be powered and internet will be restored. The mini UPS is best suited for backup power supply for your Wi-Fi router, your local dish internet receiver, and even small electronic devices such as mobile phones. It is not suitable for powering larger devices such as televisions, computers, laptops, or gaming consoles. The built-in lithium-ion batteries have a long lifespan and should be capable of charging and discharging for years to come.